Hello, I'm Hillary Dawn Herrera, and today I'm going to show you how I've been doing my editing. So I need these two apps, Snapseed and Instagram. This has been really fun to do. So first, open Snapseed. And what you're going to do is open a picture from your device that you want to edit. You can click open from device if you want the whole list or just use that scrolling. Once it's there, the first step I do is crop it, top right corner. You can choose different shapes. We're going to do Instagram here today, so I'm going to choose the square. And then you can pinch it with 2 fingers, move it around with 1 finger, and kind of choose your orientation for it. And then click the bottom check mark on the right when you like where it's at. Next step is hit tools at the bottom. We're going to do white balance, top row. And you're going to touch this little dropper like thing in the bottom and move it around with your finger. Where is more of a true white? Watch the color of your polish to make sure it stays true. Then we're going to go into the healing app. This is one that I like to use if I've missed a speck of dust or something weird on the nail. So you can zoom in with 2 fingers and tap with 1, or over here this little speck too, just so it's not distracting. And then back out and hit the check mark in the bottom right when it's what you like it. From there, we're going to go to the tools again and tune image in the top left. I'll touch the 3 lines at the bottom and choose brightness first and slide my finger up for how bright I want. You're going to add color, but pay attention a little bit to if your color is going true or not. When I add saturation next, I play with my ambiance a little bit after this. See if you go too far, way orange, not the color of the polish. So just a little bit here. And then I'm going to go back to my brightness and check if I want a little bit more or less. And once it's kind of where you want it, playing with those 3 are the main I play with, I will go ahead and check the checkbox at the bottom. Then I'm going to go to lens blur down here in the bottom right. This is something you could skip. I kind of like to elongate this circle and then slide my finger up a little bit. I don't like to majorly blur the background, but it's kind of nice to give a focus. And then check mark in the bottom right. This is the last step. Hit tools again. We're going to go to details on that top row. 3 lines at the bottom. In structure, you're actually going to go down. This helps kind of blur the skin a little bit so that it's a little bit more smooth in pictures. Then you're going to hit export at the bottom and export it to your phone. Go out of Snapseed and then jump into your Instagram and press the plus sign to do a post. From there, choose that picture you saved and then hit edit. I like to go all the way over to sharpen and sharpen it up a little bit. This helps counteract some of that blurring of the skin to make sure the nails are sharp. You could also play with saturation if you feel like it. I usually don't, but it's there just to adjust a little bit for the app. And then next, you can put in your caption. When you're done, you can just post or click back, and then you can go ahead and save it as a draft. And when you're ready to actually use it, you can come back into post and it'll be at the top for drafts. Click it and you'll be ready to post once you hit next. Hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you have any questions.